Hey there, lawn enthusiasts. Are you tired of constantly replacing your trimmer blades for your Automower or garden robotic lawnmower? Well, look no further because I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 30 PCS Trimmer Blade Lawnmower Grass Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece. This incredible set of replacement blades is compatible with a wide range of popular Automower and robotic lawnmower models, including G1, G2, Gardena, McCulloch, Flymo, and Telsing. With this set, you'll never have to worry about finding the right replacement blades again. But what sets these blades apart from the rest? Let me tell you, these blades are not only durable, but they are also made of high-quality stainless steel material, making them resistant to rust, wear, and providing long-lasting performance. You can say goodbye to constantly replacing your blades and hello to a more efficient cutting performance. In terms of safety, these blades are second to none. The sturdy stainless steel material ensures that they won't break easily when coming into contact with hard objects, which means you can mow your lawn worry-free. No more concerns about the blade flying up and causing harm to you or your loved ones. Let's talk about sharpness. With two blade sharp sides, these blades offer a more efficient cutting performance, allowing you to cover more lawn area and reducing the frequency of blade replacement. Plus, the titanium-plated blades offer a longer service life and wear resistance, providing you with a smoother surface and better scum resistance. With 30 pieces in a box, this kit is designed to meet your long-term blade replacement needs, so you can focus on enjoying a beautifully manicured lawn without the hassle of constantly replacing your blades. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the constant headache of replacing your trimmer blades and say hello to a more efficient and hassle-free mowing experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 30 PCS Trimmer Blade Lawn Mower Grass Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece. Your lawn will thank you.